أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, in my previous two parts of the lecture, we have learned that how we can pronounce first 20 letters. Now in this lecture, we will move further and I will teach you how you can pronounce last 10 letters. Those who have missed my first two parts of the lecture, they can watch those two parts before watching this part, because you may not understand if you have missed my first two parts. So if you have not subscribed my channel, I would request you to please subscribe my channel so that you may be aware of my future videos and future lectures. So the letter we are going to read it's Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. If we compare this letter with the English letter, like in English we have a letter Q, and here Qaf sounds same as Q while pronouncing, and when you are pronouncing Qaf, you have to make sound from your throat, like Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. I am not saying Kaf, it's Qaf, Qaf. The very next letter with Qaf is Kaf, Kaf. Like in English, there is a difference between K and Q. The same like here, Qaf is with two dots, and the shape next to Qaf is Kaf. And Kaf, if we compare this letter with English, we can compare it with K. The first one was Qaf, the second one is Kaf. The next letter to Kaf is Lam, Lam, Lam. Whenever you find this shape anywhere in Quran, then you should know that it sounds like L, L. So in Arabic we call it Lam, Lam, Qaf, Kaf, Lam. The next one is Mim, Mim, Mim. Same in English, after M we have after L we have M. The same here in Arabic, after Lam it's Mim. And if we compare this letter with English one, we can compare it with M. Like in English we have L, M. Here we have Lam, Mim, Lam, Mim, L, M, Lam, Mim. But you have to memorize the shape. It is very important. You have to memorize the shape. What is the shape of Lam? What is the shape of Mim? The next letter is Noon, Noon. Like in English we have L, M, N together. The same here, we have Lam, Mim, Noon, means L, M, N. Like if we compare Noon with English letter, we can compare it with N, L, M, N. Lam, Mim, Noon, Noon, Noon. Lam, Mim, Noon. The next letter after noon is Vav. 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 Like whenever you see this letter, Vav, you have to make sounds like V. 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 Like in English we have W. Like W makes sound like V. V. Here Vav makes same sound. And we in Arabic call it Vav. 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 The next letter is Ha. 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 Okay, most of the newcomers combine this Ha with this one. We pronounce this one as Ha. And I told you in first part that whenever you see this letter, you have to make sound from your throat. Ha. Ha. It's not Ha. It's Ha. But whenever you see this letter, this one in the last line, you make sounds like Ha. Ha. So there is a difference between Ha and Ha. The next letter is Hamza. 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 We call it Hamza. The use of this letter I will tell you when we have a word relating or depending on this letter, then I will tell you what is the use of this letter. But for now you must know the name of this letter. We call it Hamza. 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 And don't mix this letter with Ha and Ha. So this is why I am not explaining this letter, because I know that most of the people will combine or will mix this letter's sound with Ha and Ha. So for now you should remember the name of this letter, which is Hamza. Hamza. The next letter is Ya. 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 And if we compare this with English letter, like the same sound it makes like Y we have in English. Ya. Ya. Like we say yellow. Yellow. Ya. Ya sound is here by this letter. Ya. 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 And the last one also Ya. The last two letters make same sound, which is Ya. And in English we also compare it with Y. Now you must be thinking, why? What is the reason behind having two letters with same sound? When we will move to the next lecture, then I will tell you what is the difference between these two letters. For now, you should know that these two letters make same sound, which is Ya. 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 So for now, our three parts has been completed, and in order to make your grip strong, you should watch this lecture again and again to remove any kind of confusion. And if you have any question or any queries, you can ask me in my comment section. And before closing or winding up this lecture, we should repeat all the letters once. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Zwad, Twa, ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها hamza ya. Now before closing this video, I would suggest you to rewind this video and try to pronounce these letters by yourself. I hope it will help you a lot, and we will meet to the next video. And I would suggest you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and inshallah we will meet to the next lecture.